My name is Andy Scharping. I am a mechanical engineer for Chevron Phillips in Houston, Texas, and I graduated from Kansas State with a mechanical engineering degree in 2014. Basically, I am representing the E in STEAM. So at Chevron Phillips, we manufacture plastic, wax, and other hydrocarbon building blocks for the rest of the petrochemical industry. Basically, we take molecules that nobody wants or has any use for, and we convert them into things that everybody needs. Just take a look around. Almost everything today is made out of plastic. We would not be able to live our modern lifestyles without it. Engineers are problem solvers that take on lots of different challenges. I'm a mechanical engineer, so my job is in maintaining, installing, or improving all of this giant cool equipment that you might see, like pumps, compressors, cooling towers, distillation towers, lots of really unique giant equipment that's out here in these chemical plants. I love this degree because it's so versatile. You can work in almost any industry, and there are so many different types of personalities of other engineers that you can almost always find a job that fits your personality. I really like manufacturing because I'm really hands-on. Nothing makes me happier than tearing something down, seeing how it works, putting it back together, hopefully better than how I found it. We get to do that at work all the time. Engineering is also an incredible starting point and background to have for the rest of your career because you get to build your basic technical knowledge and become advanced in your leadership skills and organizational skills and be able to prove yourself in those so that you're prime crop for leadership, management, and other business roles if you want to get into that. Or you could stay technical and stay as an engineer and get your professional engineering license and design and invent incredible things for the rest of your life. In order for you to be successful as an engineer, you definitely have to pay attention to your math and your science classes. That's the root of everything we do, is kind of the language that we speak. If you don't understand 1 year of math, then it's just going to make the following years so much harder because it all stacks up. I know I've taken plenty of advanced calculus classes that you weren't even allowed to use a calculator. So you need to know all your basic skills just to get through all those years of math in college. Once you graduate though, and you start your official job, your math isn't going to be the most important thing that you have. Really, at that point, it becomes soft skills like communication, organization, giving speeches, and typing. Those are all things that we do every day, but we don't really have an emphasis on in school. But that's more of my life than math now. I love my job because in manufacturing, you get to see the behind the scenes of how things work and how things are made. And I used to love watching the How It's Made shows on TV. I also love the feeling of contributing and making things for people and society and seeing our product everywhere. I like the industrial feel of working in a manufacturing plant rather than in a strict office. I get to wear coveralls every day and a hard hat, and I don't have to pick out clothes in the morning. I ride a bicycle a couple miles every day in the plant. I'm outside as much as I want to be and inside as much as I need to be. I work a 980 work schedule, which means you work 9 hours a day and you get every other Friday off, so you get long weekends. My favorite teacher was probably Mr. Schaefer, who was my high school history teacher at Andover High. I really liked him because he always seemed straight up with us about the facts, but also the different versions of facts that you can see. And he made us look at everything from different angles. I love history in general, but I use that skill every day working in teams and seeing things from different angles and how other people see them. So yeah, engineering is awesome, and make sure you pay attention to your STEAM classes because those can give you great direction, and pay attention in the rest of your classes because you can also apply those in whatever job that you choose. So thanks for listening and good luck.